Alexa, open my recipe assistant.
Welcome. I am your OpenAI-based recipe assistant. We can start.
Can you tell me how many calories is in avocado?
There are 234 calories in an avocado. What more would you like to know?
Can you recommend me a simple recipe of mixed salad?
Arugula, shaved parmesan, and toasted pine nuts with a simple lemon vinaigrette. What more would you like to know?
Can you recommend me a recipe if I have some chicken chest and several shrimps?
There are many recipes that could be made with chicken breast and shrimp, but one option is to make a stir fry. This could be done by stir frying the chicken and shrimp with vegetables of your choice in a small amount of oil. The stir fry could be served over rice or noodles. What more would you like to know?
Can you tell me a recipe with 500 calories but lower sugar?
1. Spicy shrimp and broccoli stir fry ingredients. -1 tablespoon olive oil, -1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, -1 pound.
Good. Awesome.